Welcome to all. In this video, we shall learn how to draw the orthographic projection of this pictorial view. Along its direction, you will get front view. Now, from top, here you will get the top view, and here in right hand, you will get the right hand side view of an object. Let us see. The total length of an object is 80 mm, height is 50 mm, and width is 60 mm. First of all, for solving such a type of problem, first of all draw a box of size in front view is 80 by 50 mm. Also in top view, draw a box of size 80 by 60 mm. And in right hand, you want to draw a box of size 60 by 50 mm. Now see along the x direction, here you will get such type of front view. It indicates the yellow parts or yellow portions. Now we can start this problem from this point. So along the left side you will get total length of size 80 mm. So first of all draw for total length of size 50 mm by setting the drafters. So here you will get total length of size 80 mm. Now you will reach this point. After that height is 50 mm. Okay, height is 50 mm. So from this point take height of distance is 50 mm. Again along the length, this distance is given. This distance is 35 mm. So from this point take a distance of size 35 mm. Again in downward direction, this height is given. Height is 10 mm. So take a distance of size 10 mm in downward direction. Again this distance is 10 mm. How it comes? This distance is from this point to this point. This distance is 55 mm. This distance is given along this, but this distance is given 35 mm. So in between that total length is 90. So 90 minus 80. So this distance becomes 10 mm. So from this point take this distance of size 10 mm. Okay, and draw a line in downward direction by lifting of size 15 mm. So you will reach this point and draw a straight horizontal line, and this side becomes this one of size 15 mm. Okay, this portion is represent the front view of an object, which indicates the yellow colors. Again here rib is given. Now rib is joined to the extreme right and below the 10 mm size. Okay, when you are looking from front, you will get the hidden lines. So this is a semicircle, and from this point you will get the dotted lines, and you can draw invisible lines. So what is the position from this point? 15 mm. So from this point take a distance of size 15 mm and draw hidden lines or invisible lines. So this is your front view of an object. Now while drawing the top view of an object, take all the projections from front view to top view. So take the projection of all points from front view to top view. After that, draw a center line, because in that problem you will get semicircle of size 30 mm. Okay. Now in compass, take a distance of size, radius is 15 mm, and draw a semicircle. Take this point as a radius and draw semicircle. This portion represents the semicircle. After that, here you will get a straight line of size 15 mm. So from this point, draw a straight line of size 15 mm. Similarly, in downward direction, draw another line of size 15 mm. Again here you will get a straight line of size 35 mm. Horizontally draw line of size 35 mm. Again it goes on straight horizontally. Similarly, in downward direction, draw horizontal lines and draw line of size width is equal to 60 mm. So this is your top view. Again, when you are looking from top, you will get a horizontal line of size 60 mm. When you are looking from top, here you will get dotted line of size 10 mm. Already you take the projection of this point. So draw dotted lines. Okay. Again, when you are looking from top, you will get rib of size 10 mm. So from center, you take a distance of size 5 mm from center line, and it intersect hidden lines. And remaining parts are rubbed. So this is your top view of an objects. Suppose I want to draw the right hand side view of an object. Transfer all the points from front view to side view and top view to side view. So first of all, transfer the points from front view to side view. Again top view to side view. Now when you are looking from right hand side view, first of all you will get a rectangle of size 60 by 15 of pink color. So this distance is 60 by 15. Okay, again you will get a rib of size 10 mm. Already you take the projection of 10 mm. So first of all, draw a rib of size 10 mm. Again, when you are looking from right hand, you will get a rectangle of size 10 by 60. And lastly you will get all rectangular portion. Here one more parts are remaining, which are the invisible lines. When we are looking from right, here you will get the invisible lines. So it is a dotted lines. So in this way we have to complete the problems. Now give the dimensions and names. Thank you.